The initial planting of the new garden is fully in. I scavenged a lot of plants from a friend's garden, and it gives the garden an initial fullness, even though most of the plants are in a tiny bit of shock from being moved and cut back. So they don't look established yet, but they're here. So the initial stairway down is here with big stones from the creek. In fact, all these stones are from the property, from the creek. That's what makes them blend in so beautifully with the foundation and naturally. They look like they fit. Looks like it's been here for decades because the wall is made by the same kind of stones. This patio down here is actually only a year old, but it looks like it's been there forever. And it blends in perfectly with the cliffside, as does the staircase here coming out, and these big, beautiful rocks that make up the wall around the patio. It's just fantastic. The stone is new to me to work with, but I love it. I came from New England and worked with a lot of granite there, but this limestone is a softer looking rock. I don't know that it's softer constitutively. It's a very solid hard rock to work with, but it's just beautiful. I know aesthetically, the lines, the finish is something that I like enormously. So a pathway going in, and then I point your attention to a few upright stones, 1, 2, 3, that are adding structure. These are unique little rocks that I found in the creek and couldn't resist. 1, 2, this is the second one, and then the third one ends over here behind this boxwood, and is the little fish rock that lands here at the top of the staircase. So here's the pathway yet to be put in. This will have flat stones like these with gravel around them, and then more mulch, more plants right up to the pathway sides to lock this in. And then there's the Baptisia. It was in bloom when I moved it. It shocked, and I cut the blooms off, cropped it there. A little peony in bloom when I moved them, no longer. But they'll settle in and be full, nice greenness. Then I'll have some set pieces for blooms here in the garden as we go along. But the real anchor pieces are these unique hosta that I have that I posted about before. These came from Massachusetts. A friend of mine had in Massachusetts and flew out to visit and brought me a couple starts. So one here, one there, and there's another one all the way over up against the rock there. Transitions are important, of course. So fresh green grass planted right up against the line of the mulch. And then the final thing is to continue this planting of grass, overplant here, and then fully plant the grass to mark the line of demarcation from the tree curving around to the stone wall, and then a line that goes up along the wall, and there'll be a pathway right in here with stone and gravel as well, terminating right about here, just beyond this tree, which this tree may not be a part of the landscape for long either. So here's the garden, off and running. It's very beautiful, very pleasing. I'm as excited about this planting as just about anything else on this property right now.